minowegi bidigamen. Mishigo wega dashin damen garden. Ka deshigi tigeng a king kitigan gardening. Miunuen nen tigane winter morning nim ane onen enda soe ke go kitiga dek ma kitiganing nananduk ke go egu. Mishigo uwe ya upinik potatoes. Ukadak, carrot. Miskutisikan is a beet. Shigagumish, onion, mie. Shigumino, ayi gitigamin, wabegonin, flowers that we plant around our garden to make it look nice. Kaskigochigan, a rake is used. Shigumino, lavesh is nikazo, lavesh, shovel. Wagakut, axe. Toebegan, hoe. Toebegan. Shigumino bankisinan utnan abis kaman pigi on juicy chigate in the mekisinan pigi rubbers, pigi makisinan, pigi we mekisinan. Piminakon, rope. Nebe, water. Minyan and the saba the kin kitiganing. This is what we use. All the tools and all the items that are used that I explained and that I was teaching you, and these are the words that use in the garden surroundings area. Miigwech.